Hi, Dipa. Hi, Luna. It is a beautiful sunny day. Yes, blue sky, green grass. Dipa, do you still want to be a veterinarian? Yes, I love animals so much. Me too, Luna and Dipa, future veterinarians. We help sick animals. Yes, every day. Look, what is that? A baby rabbit. Oh, it looks scared. It is lost. Yes, poor little rabbit. We must help it. Yes, we are kind friends. Come here, little rabbit. Do not be afraid. Good rabbit. Come, we help. We have a plan. Yes, a good plan. We make a grass clinic. Grass animal clinic. Fun. This is the bed. This is the doctor table. Our clinic is ready. Haha, it looks funny. Little rabbit, come here. Come to the clinic. Good. Good rabbit. You are safe now. Oh no! The rabbit runs. Wait, come back. Rabbit, wait. Ha ha, run faster. Ha ha, I am slow. Look, behind the bush. Yes, there. Rabbit, please come. We help you. Good rabbit. You look tired. You are safe. We are your veterinarians. Back to the grass clinic. Yes, careful. Rest here, little one. Rest. You are okay. It needs food. Yes, rabbits like grass and carrots. I have a carrot in my bag. Great. Give it. Eat, little rabbit. Eat. You are strong. Look, it eats. It is better. We did it, Dipa. Yes, we helped. Friends help animals. Yes, together is best. Kindness is important. Very important. No phones today. Only real fun. We are happy. Very happy. Look, it is happy now. Yes, good job. Maybe its home is near. Yes, we watch it. Thank you, Dipa. Thank you, Luna. Friends are important. Yes, friends help dreams. Animals need kindness. Yes, kindness helps. We are good veterinarians. Future veterinarians. Good job today. Good job.